In academic writing, you will need to write thesis statements and outlines. Knowing how to write and use both of these in your essay writing is very important. Welcome to writing better sentences, paragraphs, and essays. First, let's talk about what a thesis statement is. A thesis statement is a statement that expresses the main idea or argument of an essay. For example, let's say that you needed to write an essay for this question or assignment. Should the government do more to improve accessibility for people with physical disabilities? After you do some research, perhaps you find these 3 areas that you believe the government should do more to help these people. They need to improve public spaces, home assistance, helping these people find suitable homes to live in, and transportation. With these 3 ideas, you can now write a thesis statement. It might look something like this. The main areas that governments should do more to improve accessibility for people with physical disabilities include public spaces, home assistance, and public transportation. You now have your thesis statement with your 3 main ideas. You can use these ideas to form an outline for your essay. Your outline would look like this. You would first have your introduction with your thesis statement, followed by your 3 main ideas, where you would write a body paragraph or multiple paragraphs for each topic, and then followed by a conclusion paragraph. Now that you have your main outline, you will want to add a few more details to help you write your essay. For your first topic about public spaces, you might write about the need for handrails and ramps. For the topic of home assistance, you might write about wheelchair-accessible homes as well as barrier-free housing. For your third topic of public transportation, you could write about the need for clearer signage or announcements, as well as elevators. And then, of course, your conclusion paragraph. Now you have a more detailed outline that you can use to help you write your essay. This is how you can use your main topics to help you write a thesis statement, as well as an outline that you can follow when writing the full essay. Let's look at one more topic. Recycling should be made compulsory. If you had this assignment, you might find these 3 ideas that you could write about. Recycling would conserve resources, reduce pollution, as well as save energy. Using these 3 ideas, you would write your thesis statement. In today's environment, recycling should be compulsory in order to conserve resources, reduce pollution, and save energy. You now have your thesis statement and your 3 ideas, so you can create your outline for your essay. Again, it could look something like this. If you decide that reducing pollution is more important than conserving resources, you could write about that in your first body paragraph. You can decide which order you want these 3 topics to be in your essay. If you change the order of the topics, be sure to also change the order in your thesis statement. The order that you write your essay should match the order in your thesis statement. Now we need to fill in the outline a little bit more in detail. For conserving resources, you might talk about what kind of natural resources could be protected. For example, recycling paper would save more trees. In this part of your essay, you might talk about other natural resources and give other examples as well. For your topic about reducing pollution, you could talk about landfills and also give an example of air and water pollution and how recycling will help those issues. The third topic about saving energy, you could discuss that it takes less energy to recycle than to make new materials. For example, recycling aluminum. And then you would have your conclusion. As you can see, using your ideas to write a thesis statement and then filling out your outline will help you write the essay. Here's one more example. What are the effects of divorce on children? Mental health, behavioral problems, and academic performance could be 3 things that you could write about for this essay topic. Again, you would use your 3 ideas to write your thesis statement. The effects of divorce in children are varied. However, mental health issues, behavioral problems, and academic performance are at the top of the list for many children. Now we will use these ideas to write our outline. And again, using the outline, we want to fill in some more details for each section. I hope you can see that writing a thesis statement and using it to help you to make an outline for your essay will help you in writing the academic essay. If you want more help, I have several other videos that will cover more in detail the things we've talked about in this video. You might want to check these out as well. I also have some printable workbooks available if you're interested in that kind of help. The link is in the description below. Happy writing!